I lived in Texas my whole life. As the years go by, the summers feel hotter and longer. The winters feel warmer and shorter. I believe this is happening because of global warming. My goal for the next few minutes is to present the real effects of global warming. I consider global warming a problem and have read peer reviews, used statistics, and done much research to understand that global warming is real. First, I'll tell you about the problems of global warming. Second, I'll tell you about the causes of global warming. Last, I'll tell you about the solutions to global warming. Let's begin with the problems of global warming. According to the EPA, rising global temperatures have been accompanied by changes in weather and climate. The oceans are warming and becoming more acidic. Ice caps are melting and sea levels are rising. MIT News states, hurricanes have grown significantly more powerful and destructive over the last 3 decades due in part to global warming. Global warming will have a significant impact on the sustainability of water supplies in the coming decade. Global warming will affect water availability and cause water shortages. And a study by the Natural Resource Defense Council, 1/3 of the counties in the lower 48 states will face high risk of water shortages by the middle of this century. Next, I'll talk about the causes of global warming. The causes are greenhouse gases. These gases trap heat and make the planet warmer. The gas that causes the most warming of the planet is carbon dioxide, also called CO2. Carbon dioxide is created from burning fossil fuels for electricity, heat, and transportation. Other gases that lead to global warming are methane and nitrous oxide. Methane emissions result from the decay of organic waste in urban, solid wastelands. Nitrous oxide is emitted during agriculture and industrial activities, as well as the burning of fossil fuels and solid waste. That brings us to the solutions to global warming. According to the EPA, reducing, reusing, and recycling helps conserve energy and reduces pollution, greenhouse gas emissions from resource extraction, manufacturing, and disposal. Composting food and yard waste reduces the amount of garbage that is sent to landfills and reduces greenhouse gas emissions. If there is a recycling program in your community, recycle your newspapers, beverage containers, paper, and other goods. Other solutions are to reduce water usage and change light fixtures. Minimizing energy to pump, treat, and heat water lessens the output of greenhouse gas emissions. Also, changing one light bulb to an Energy Star light bulb substitutes 6 incandescent light bulbs that leads to smaller greenhouse gas emissions. In conclusion, first I talked about the problems of global warming. Then I told you the causes of global warming. Finally, I told you solutions to global warming. I believe that people can come together and prevent this issue from damaging our planet. And I want to thank you for listening to my speech. And that's it.
Ya, salió bien.